I just want to do a quick review of some of the trade ideas we discussed on Wednesday. We looked at the Euro US dollar. We also looked at Australian dollar USD and the pound against US dollar. In that analysis, I gave you the places where you should be looking to enter this trade because I believe strongly that the US dollar is very strong based on the fundamental analysis that we did. The Weldds macro tracker, after it had analyzed all the fundamental parameters, has shown us that the US dollar is going to be strong for a considerable period of time. So we were only looking for a way to buy the US dollar. The three trades that we considered were the Euro US dollar, the pound against US dollar, and Australian dollar USD. Now, during the CPI news, Euro USD got triggered. Australian dollar US dollar also got triggered. Another trade I did not share on this channel was the New Zealand dollar USD. That trade also got triggered. And I want to quickly do a review of how those trades are performing. One of the things I want you to understand is that you need to trade less and make more in profit. We are not in the business to feed the Forex broker. We are not here to be executing 100 trades per day. You can execute 1 or 2 trades for a week or even in an entire month and ride in the profit. And you need to learn this skill of trading. So if you are new to the channel, I want you to quickly click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. You will be getting updates about live trades like the ones I am sharing, and also educational tools that can help you in your Forex trading so that you can go on to make more profit. And also click the notification button. Enable that so that when I share the next video, you will be notified. Let's look at those trades. This is a chart of the Euro US dollar. If you want to get a full analysis of this trade, we have already done it in the previous video. So you can watch that video to see the full update. I told you that this market was in a downtrend, so we used the Fibonacci retracement and we targeted the 61.8 level of the Fibonacci. So during CPI news, the news just pushed us to that point and our trade got triggered. So from that point, we are already in profit. Although this morning you are seeing something like a slight retracement, but in all, we are good. We are well into profit, and then I'm expecting this trade to continue to fall. And then we will be keeping it down to around 0.9706. One of the things you should understand about trading is that after you have placed your trade, you also need to manage your position. When it is time to take partial profit, you should take partial profit. When it is time to re-enter a trade, you need to re-enter. It should be as simple as that. The next one is the pound against US dollar. We are not yet in the entry. The market did not come to our entry zone. Some people like to enter trades at the 50% retracement, but for me, I like to ensure that at least the market gets to the 61.8 fib level for our entry. We have not taken this trade yet, but if you want to take, you should wait for the market to move to the 61.8 fib level, and then that can be a good entry for you. You have to wait for the market to push from here to the 61.8 fib level. If it is a trade that I have done complete analysis, what I encourage you to do is set pending orders and go about your business. One of the idea of setting pending order is that it will help you to calculate your risks beforehand. Okay, so when it is time, the market will just trigger you and you will be in a good position instead of rushing into the trade when it is already moving. The final trade we have here is AUD US dollar. We were targeting to enter the trade at the 61.8 fib level. The market actually, after the US CPI news, it got there exactly a few people above that place, and our trade got triggered. And most of our trades are in profit. In fact, all the trades we discussed, the ones we have taken, they are all in profit. What is remaining is for you to be patient. Some people, when they see small profit like $5, they will go and close the trade. I don't do that. You can leave this trade for the next 1 week, for the next 2 weeks, for the next 3 weeks. And if the fundamentals continue to be strong for the US dollar, we can also leave it for 1 month. So do not be in a haste. The trade has just started moving. In the coming days, we will be getting more and more into profit. When the market will finally come to this level and break that support, and then we'll wait for another pullback and add to the position. Here, we are not doing day trading. I do not come to this chart every morning and try to see one trade on 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame to enter. I go simply to the higher time frame like monthly, weekly, do my analysis, execute it on 4-hour time frame and leave it for a long period of time. New Zealand dollar USD. This trade is one of the one I took, but I did not discuss it here, although people in my private community, they took this trade with me. So the trade is already in profit. We entered it at the 61.8 fib level, somewhere around here, and then we are expecting it to continue to fall. At least the point where we'll be looking to take partial profit should be when the market drops to around this zone. It is not yet time to take your profit. We are just starting. When you watch my videos, and if the video was useful to you, what I expect you to do is drop a comment. It will help us to get to more people. This channel is very small. I want to grow this channel, and with your help, we can actually do this. If you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, you have the opportunity to join today. Check the description of the video. You will see a link to chat with me directly, and I'll be glad to enroll you, where you will be grounded on how to trade Forex. Even if you are a total beginner who has never traded before, we can take you from beginning to advanced concepts in trading, and you will be on your way to be a profitable trader. See you in the next.